Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to make oobleck. It starts off hard, like I just showed you by touching it, but when you let it settle for a second, it just turns into a liquid, like so. So the ingredients you will need is any type of cornstarch. Food coloring is optional.
I'm not sure.
Water, and a measuring cup, and a bowl. First, you're going to start off with 1.5 cups of cornstarch, and then 1 cup of water. Then you could add your food coloring. Then you can start mixing. As you can see, it's starting to get a little harder to mix. At this point, it was getting a little too liquidy, and I didn't want the cornstarch to all dissolve, so I put a little bit of more cornstarch in, as you see right now. But I added a little too much, so I need to add a little bit of water. Right now. Then just keep on mixing, and then you could start testing out what I was doing, like punching it, seeing if it's solid, trying to pick it up slowly, putting it into a ball like this, and then just letting it drip in your hands. And yeah, it's really fun to make, but it's also really easy. Bye.